to Mr. TechBench. Today we're going to be doing a repair on the iPhone. Let's do this. So, to fix an iPhone 11, you're going to need one of these Mr. TechBench patented iPhone 11 repair devices. And all you got to do is just plug it in. But before we go in, always want to pack some heat for this one. Well, wish me luck. Oh. Oh. See now, these iPhones, sometimes they can get a virus. I think I see one right now, over there. Eat lead, virus!
What did they do to you, bro? Oh my god! It's my brother! Did you steal it? Why did you do this to him?
I don't know. He looked weird. Okay, he looked kind of strange. He looked suspicious. He looked really sus. He looked really sus. Okay, he looked really sus.
The virus is over there!
Over. Oh.
Why you did this?
Yeah, I know that. That definitely
What's
looks
wrong
like
with
a
you,
virus.
bro?
Looks like I gotta go. Bye. Well, there you have it, everyone. That was the iPhone repair. Tune in next time. We'll see you later. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Oh, what have I done? Oh, no.